Such mean girls.
This really does fit you guys a lot. Thank you. I wish your role fit you.
I'm just having
I love
lot
it.
of fun being a bitch to these bitches. I want Plain Jane's wicked comedy.
Oh my god,
to
Plain Jane
definitely
is
rub
influencing
off.
the fucking cast.
Even you, Saphira. Good luck, Morphine and Maya.
Hey there everyone, it is time for episode 7 of RuPaul's Drag Race season 16, and it is just a season for drag because UK versus the World season 2 is happening right now. Drag Den Philippines is happening over in the Philippines. Drag Race España All Stars is also happening, but I'm not following that. But there are so many things that are happening within the Drag Race universe that I don't know how the other content creators are like doing it, reacting to all of it. I'm just reacting to like 3 franchises and I feel like I'm already juggling so much just to churn them out. But it's just really cool to be able to watch and see and react and interact with all of you. So without further ado, let's get into episode 7. And it's called The Sound of Rusic. Okay, it's a musical. Didn't we already have a musical? No, that was... Okay, no, that wasn't the musical before.
Previous, your immunity potion.
Yup.
Poor Saphira. Oh god.
Geneva Carr.
Regretting drinking that.
Beauty queen. From the neck down, horror queen.
And we said goodbye to Geneva, right?
Kept talking about this flipping doll.
I can't see any imperfections in your outfit. Congratulations, you are the winner of this week's show.
Deserve, Q, deserve. Well, we finally saw Maya like give some of that confidence.
Well, I think the new lip sync assassin has arrived. And whoever I gotta send home, I'm sending them home.
Right, girl.
But that's also declaring that you'll be in the bottom
Slay her nasty boots in the lip sync.
all the
and
time.
She feels
On behalf of the former winners of the competition, welcome to the winner's circle.
It only took you
Congrats.
6 episodes, but you did it! Cue the applause, everybody. I just won my first challenge. Thank you, thank you.
After bottoming.
Is it time
Ooh.
to start checking the scoreboard yet?
No.
Or no, it's not
Girl,
that
not
time
yet.
yet. Okay.
I mean,
She says not yet, because she doesn't have a score on the board.
We'll wait for you, sister. We'll wait.
Thank you, thank
No
you.
matter how many episodes it takes.
I so love Jade. I so love Jade.
Every single week, and so it's
Sorry,
all
played.
her mom. Q's runway looks like a fairy costume. I'm sorry.
I wanted to win.
Oh no,
I'm kind
Totally
of upset
CQ.
that I got beat. I hope these girls are happy that they saw a little crack in the shell.
come on,
A baby
Saphira, pull through,
is
man.
back.
Got me, I guess. I guess she has like a quarter win, but...
God.
Challenge.
She's not ready to hit.
I can't believe that we still have so many queens.
My queens, to make it to the top, America's next drag superstar.
Like, how long have we
needs
been
to
playing?
climb. These are a few of my favorite things. And you know what?
Plasma
else I
knows.
love?
Plasma knows what it
A
is.
drag race musical.
Look at Plasma. She is so fucking excited.
I am so excited about doing a Rusic.
Plasma, I have
love
high
the sound of
hopes.
music. It's Julie Andrews' most iconic role, maybe ever.
I hate musical theater.
Dawn is down.
I
Dawn
think
is down.
that people who are fans of it are some. No, let me not say that. I'm gonna fucking
Come on,
roast
get
it.
cancelled,
Not
Dawn.
my sorry.
Girlfriends, I'll let you choose your own role.
Shit.
Now, later today, you'll
There's gonna be
rehearse with
cat
big-time
fights.
now it's time for us to cast ourselves and figure out who's gonna be who.
Being
The
cast in
fight
right
is gonna
role,
be
it is-
on.
So I know from the get-go, bitch, I need a lead role.
So fun. So fun.
So it's gonna be Morphin versus Plasma.
I have never done musical theater, but I love acting silly, and this bitch is silly. Strudel's silly.
You want sister?
Yeah. I may not have music theater background, but
Okay, we're getting these out of the
my
way.
cute little medium-sized part, and I will run with it.
The people who don't know anything.
I'm drawn to one of the bitchy baronets. They're both mean girls, and that's who I've been wrongfully labeled as in this competition.
Baroness would be like my first choice. I just want to be one of the main roles since I haven't gotten a chance to really. That I also feel like I would be phenomenal at.
So audition, bitch.
This role.
Rocks, paper, scissors for it.
Jay,
I think
play.
that would be the two. I'm fine with that.
They went with plain.
Pearls.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Though that's an amicable way of going through it.
Sorry. I mean, I would love to do Mother Superior, honestly.
When hearing the track, Mother Superior just screams Superior.
I mean, I want to be Mariah. My pop choice was Mariah.
Oh, so do I.
You want to be Mariah?
It screamed for me, Boots.
Oh, and Morphine.
I also was looking at Mariah.
God.
Okay. Well, that's unfortunate.
Come on,
because I want
audition,
Mariah
audition,
too,
audition.
I personally, if I'm gonna put my 2 cents in,
Go plain, go
I
plain.
do see you.
Spice
as
it
the
up,
lead.
spice it up.
I think Saphira or Plasma could do it.
My 2 cents for myself, since nobody sees me as the lead.
This feels very, very true to who I am and what I do.
That
I see myself
is
as
the
Mariah.
brand of
This is what I
Plasma.
came here to do.
My thing is, it spoke Saphira to me.
Well, I felt like the last time we assigned roles, I was shuffled around a little bit.
And you won.
I need to make sure that I'm not baby in a corner this week. I have Mariah, end of list.
Waiting for her foot down.
I could drop Mariah, and if anything, I might go for Sister Fister.
You know what? I'll do Mother Superior.
I'll take Mariah, thank
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
For once, I've tried the plain Jane technique of being bat out of hell, bitch about it, and it worked.
Now,
I have burger fingers.
all pressure on you, Plasma.
Of course. Turn it out.
The last queen that I fought with a role with and gave it to her, she ended up going home. I'm just saying.
That's true. But I think Plasma, this is Plasma's challenge, and if she fails, she's gonna bomb hard.
I am so excited. The sound of Rusic is obviously based on the sound of music. I am
And so
cast
much
as Mariah,
narrative on
the
her.
lead. How do you solve a problem
She's so
like
into
Mariah?
it.
My family, it's important in my life. Literally in one of my high school
Keeps
graduation
talking.
cards,
She
my
keeps talking about
grandparents,
it.
like,
Diva, I'm so happy for you.
Plasma won't shut up about how excited she is for this challenge. She's
I
like,
love it.
I'm Mariah. I love Sound of Music. I used to watch it as a kid.
love you, sis, but that's what you sound like.
has anyone else watched The Sound of Music, grown up with The Sound of Music?
No, I've never watched it.
I watched it when I was younger.
Gas.
I don't.
Tsunami, Plane, and I are really feeling our villain oats right now.
The role choosing process was very interesting to me. I really feel like it's a little. Make a little trip around, shall we?
Oh my God, Plain
The
is
roles that we have
Plain is
chosen
fucking
are those of
influencing
mean
these
girls.
girls.
Meet and Tsunami decide to stir up a little mischief.
Such mean girls.
This really does fit you guys a lot. Thank you. I wish your role fit you.
I'm not having
I love
lot
it.
of fun being a bitch to these bitches. I want Plain Jane's wicked comedy.
Oh my God,
to
Plain Jane
definitely
is
rub
influencing
off
the
on me.
fucking cast.
Even you, Saphira. Good luck, Morphine and Maya.
Tsunami's getting a
Shit.
little.
So Megami, I know you didn't get the roles that you were vying for, which were bigger roles.
Yeah.
And this role's a little, smaller and less noticeable.
I've already
Plain.
proven myself.
Plain.
Middle group challenge.
They all get like their moments in particular acts. My moment is all of it. Which is like, woo. Ooh. Ah. The
Come
hills are
on,
alive,
she
and
can
the
eat
sound of
it.
me practicing it.
All on her, girl.
Being evil is kind of fun.
They're feeling their Plain Jane era, guys.
Nice to meet you.
So now comes the time
Oh,
when
wow.
we get to rehearse our Rusical with
Plasma
Adam
is so white.
Shankman.
Bitch, that's Ursula. Molly of Mike and Molly.
Oh,
What is going on?
yeah, what's happening
This
with
is why
Melissa
I-
McCarthy?
You expect me to now be learning choreography, and Melissa McCarthy is sitting like 10 feet away from me. Baby, you gotta be out your mind.
But what's Melissa McCarthy doing here?
Doing great. Everybody want a baby Belle?
So confusing.
Pick up the dog soon. All right, I'm gonna go get the dog.
This
I
is
just
so
wanna say,
confusing.
If I can take 1 minute, I just adore you all. I adore what you do. Drag is a big part of why I have a career. I was going to drag shows when I shouldn't have been, and it literally gave me the
Aw.
courage to. So when I look at you fighting to carve out your space, it makes me so proud. and I just want to thank you for it and root for you, and you're all gorgeous
Oh,
ladies,
this
and
is.
I just love
I
you.
guess this is a
Just keep
fan
doing
moment
what
for
you're doing.
her.
It's not only
Talking to us about it, like, it just makes me realize how significant it is to even be here.
and there's no small parts.
It almost
Amen.
feels like she's talking.
Let me look at a little Mariah piece here.
From what
Okay.
I've seen of Adam's work, he's looking for polish, precision, professionalism.
Come on, Plasma.
Oh my god, he's looking for P words. He's looking for plasma.
I'm missing something.
This is your feet, baby.
Rooting for you though, sister. Not my Jane impression. Ew.
Okay, sit down. Next group. Baroness
So
and
much
the
narrative from
It's
from
mostly
Dawn.
about, like,
So once again, Q is Frankenstein up there clomping along. How I'm feeling this is gonna go is like Q's gonna be lip syncing. Kind of fun to look at because I love watching other people struggle.
Especially the
Okay, moving
bitches.
on.
Oh my god, Megami.
Today is the day where we debut the sound of Rusic, and I feel like Joan Crawford. I did
There's
my little witch
so
hazel
much
ice
riding
bath this
on
morning.
Plasma.
Don't have a safety net, and I don't believe that I'll be needing immunity. I'm feeling like the superior Mother Superior.
Yeah, that's the fire that she needed.
Did
Come
you
on,
immediately,
Sophia,
like,
burn it
gravitate
out.
Towards that? It's about the finished product. It's not about the journey.
You're right. Every time you put on your makeup, I'd be like, what is this clown bitch doing?
Oh my god.
And then she puts on the hair and lashes and the heels, and I'd be like, what is this clown bitch doing?
Okay, I want to see what play looks like. But I am looking at you, Plasma. Go, Saphira.
Champions for the past 35 years. They never break
Come on, bring on your bitches. Okay. She is so into it. I just keep looking at Saphira. Oh fuck.
You know we're not actual nuns, right? Yes, there's something you can't face.
What'd you just call it?
I was just like you, curious about the great unknown.
Okay, we got a solo.
I was just like you. But who am I to say?
Why do I love Saphira? Yes, Saphira, kill it. She is it. Saphira ate that fucking up. She can do silly.
And smelling my pine cones and dating my pine cones. That's very specific.
I love Plasma. She's just owning it. I'm only looking at Plasma. But everyone else is okay, right? Tsunami. It's so sexy. Okay, Q. Wow. Plasma really ate this up. Bitch. Oh, they have a lot of... Yeah, they do have a lot of songs. Baby. I love Nivea.
Come on, it's fun. Smell my pine cone. I'm not there yet.
Nivea.
Category is
Okay.
I can buy my flowers. Up first, Plasma.
Yes, Plasma.
Rain on my parade.
Come on, you got a
My
strong
favorite
night.
movie musical, guessed it, Funny Girl. And of course, in Funny Girl, she gets a blue marble egg and yellow
Love it.
roses.
Saphira Crystal.
Oh my, Saphira.
This bitch is pollinated.
This is is my
So
fantasy
good,
dress.
so
Big,
expensive.
huge petals, wings. I'm such a big flower, I can barely fit on the runway.
Also
and
a
that
very
is the
good
Fair
one.
Crystal.
Does that outfit make her look a little hippie?
Morphine's
My
always
look
so
is
just pretty.
Flower child, Miami girl who went
I think
back in
this
time
is
to
a
the
safe
1970s,
again.
went to what's
Maya. This is
Oh.
Pearl Baby.
a rose full of stones, glitz and glamour.
I guess
You
it's
heard of
okay.
flower-
She is a forlorn lover. She's been dead for years.
I
and
like
she's kind
it.
of pissed about it. Inspired by dead
I think
flowers
Dawn
on
is a safe.
gravestones.
Getting deflowered.
Tonight's the night.
I think it's okay.
Nymphia.
Isn't she a sight for sore cacti?
Uh,
Guys, she's
Whoosh.
a grower, not a shower.
She's blooming.
Look is, can I miss that part?
Actually, she woke up like this.
Okay, Nymphia. Safe.
It's cute.
I loathe hydrangeas.
Oh.
Is more creature-esque with the very long arms.
This is giving me La Grande Dame from UK versus the World.
I'm all hair, and on the very tail end, my beautiful
Oh god.
come to know, love, and expect from me.
Have you met her new
I also
boyfriend?
like it.
He's a little shop of whores.
What I'm giving to
Love
the
it, Tsunami.
is the stems and the ruffles are the flowers.
It looks
So the
good, right?
ruffles-
Welcome, queens. I've made some decisions.
I did not like Maya and
But
Megami.
first, one immunity potion is still in circulation.
I'm not thirsty, Mama.
I'll be the judge of that. Dawn. Nymphia win.
The safes.
Plain
Okay.
Jane. Tsunami Muse.
Saves.
Good job this week, ladies. You are all safe.
Okay. Yep.
You may leave the
Yep.
stage.
Ah. Oh no. Morphine's at the bottom.
You had so many nuances that makes the theater the theater. There were no crumbs left.
The amount of dialogue you
Yes.
just sang, and you never wavered. You should be incredibly proud.
Yes.
You were fantastic.
It's plasma.
I mean, just the energy that you were
She
in
was
it.
so in it.
Era.
This is a masterpiece. It's very carnival.
These are my
It's
two
just
tops,
so
basically.
Beautiful. Where Plasma excelled as the leading actress, you soared as the supporting
Yes.
actress. Complete with old school drag queen lip quivers.
Lip
It was
quivers,
all
yeah.
the extra.
And you made it feel effortless.
Adam, I felt comfortable in your hands. I felt like I wanted to please you.
So far, everything needs to be cut from what you're saying. I think the sleeves are great, but I don't like that they're not lined. I can see so much of the back of the fabric. But
Up next, Maya.
This look tonight, Maya, you just look beautiful. I like this bang on you. It's a little
Morphine is a
long,
bottom
but
safe.
the look is
I've seen you get out here in these lip syncs and you just work it and you are in it. We needed that same thing tonight
Yes.
in the Rusical.
Bottoming again.
So if you're doing a different character like you were this time, it shouldn't be the same as your down and out fairy or Statue of Liberty.
Ooh, it's the
Even
same.
tonight in your thing, but you pulled it off. The choreography, the
Huh.
movement.
So Q
it
is a
all
high.
worked.
Yes, that's good.
that you went, God love you. You're A++++.
And
Wow.
I absolutely. I think your real strength is subtlety.
All right, just between us squirrel friends, I want
It'll
to know
be
what
Maya
you
and Megami.
She did a good job tonight. I just felt like she could have given more.
No, Morphin's
of
a safe
character.
bottom.
Act a bit of a character. Maya had no character, so that was my problem with her.
It's been a reoccurring theme.
Yes.
She is so served. For this nun, it's becoming a habit.
Oh my God.
All right, let's talk about
Every moment of being on this show is being like waiting in the wings off camera in character.
That's
you
right.
have to always be prepared to pack.
That's how you do it. In fact, all of the baronets
Yes,
were
the baronets were
fantastic.
good.
If you just zoom in on her face as the character in the Rusical, and then into her pink makeup on the runway, that's the same human being. That's verse. She's verse. I'm telling you.
She did something completely different, but impeccably done. So therefore,
Versus Megami,
Silence.
who's
I've
done
made
nothing.
my decision. Bring back my
Yeah,
goils.
I think this is a clear one for me.
Welcome
And
back,
Plasma needs to
queens.
win. Plasma.
Plasma.
Yes.
Congratulations. You're the winner of this week's challenge.
This one of all things.
You've won a cash prize.
If she didn't win this, then
$5,000.
her soul would crumble.
I've been telling y'all that this was my challenge.
You three may join the other girls.
Baby.
Morphine. The judges enjoyed your flower,
Morphine's just
child,
there for
but
the
your
safeness.
sister act, or runway was blooming fabulous. But as
So
a
they like
box
the runway
snap,
for
you
everyone.
needed
It's
more
all about the
craft.
challenges here. Morphine safe. Yep.
You are safe.
Okay, I'm glad I didn't
You may join
misjudge
the other girls.
anything.
That means Maya and Megami. I'm sorry, my dears, but you are both up for
It depends on the song.
Ladies, this is your last chance to impress me.
I feel like Maya's going
Say
home.
yourself from elimination.
I want to think that Megami can win
Time has
this.
come.
Even with the Queen of Flips.
Known for her flips and tricks, and this is not a dancey song.
Oh,
Everything
there you
is
go.
down to
There
this
you
one
see it.
moment, and I need to get the emotion and sell it to the judges.
Unless we get a double elimination. Why'd she take off her shoes though? Oh. She's gonna take you all to church, bitch. Without flips. Ah. Okay. What's happening? Everyone's screaming, but I'm still like, what did I just see?
Queens, I've made my decision.
Can it be a double elimination? I don't know.
Maya, Shantae, you stay.
Okay.
You may join the other girls.
Thank you. It could have been anyone, I think.
Everyone watching, support local drag and protect queer art. Thank you.
Amen.
Didn't expect to be leaving so soon.
It's actually
and
not soon.
I
It's
felt
been
like I
7 episodes. Amen. Okay, congratulations, Plasma. That was, I think, the correct choice. Also, congratulations to Saphira because she ate that fucking supporting role. But definitely Plasma for that lead role, which she fought for and remained stern for. Amazing. Amazing. I'm so happy with those two. They're probably at the top 4 of my head. For the bottom with Maya and Megami, honestly, I didn't like either lip sync. Like, I guess that was taking to church. Why did she have to take off her shoes? Anyone could have gone and I would have been like, okay, that's what happened. What did you guys think? Comment down below, let me know what you thought. Please like and subscribe. Join my Discord, support me on Patreon, and I'll see you next time.
Somebody's opinion.